In this video, we've listed the cheapest robotic lawnmowers to buy in 2025. We've picked the best robotic lawnmowers of 2025, and our #1 pick is the cheapest and most popular. Stick around to see the full list, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. At number 5, we have ANTHBOT Genie 600 Robot Lawnmower. The ANTHBOT Genie 600 is a standout in the budget robotic mower segment because it feels like a premium product without the premium price tag. If you spent any time experimenting with cheap mowers, you know how frustrating it can be when a mower drifts off course under trees, jams on garden decor, or misses corners entirely. That's exactly where the Genie 600 shines. Its RTK plus 4i AI vision system combines high-precision satellite positioning with real-time 3D obstacle mapping, which means it can actually see your yard in a way most cheap mowers cannot. It navigates tight corners, shaded areas, and complex layouts without missing patches or repeatedly bumping into obstacles. The auto-mapping feature is another huge advantage. Instead of spending half an afternoon driving a mower around your yard to train it, Genie 600 builds a complete virtual map of your yard in minutes. It can store multiple mowing zones and allows you to set over 20 no-go areas, ideal for protecting flower beds, pools, or even delicate vegetable patches. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is particularly impressive for families with pets or children, as it recognizes toys, garden hoses, and even moving obstacles, sidestepping them without human intervention. Experienced users will appreciate this level of precision, which is rarely found in budget options. Its 45-pound frame combined with a 7.9-inch cutting width strikes a balance between maneuverability and efficiency. The intelligent hosting mode automatically adapts mowing schedules based on grass growth patterns, seasonal changes, and even local weather data, meaning it can respond to springtime growth bursts or dry summer patches without your input. While it's best suited for lawns under 0.23 acres and sourcing it in the U.S. can be a little tricky, the Genie 600 blends cutting-edge technology, convenience, and reliability in a way that's genuinely exciting for enthusiasts who want a smart, capable mower that doesn't break the bank. At number 4, we have the YUKA Mini 500 Robotic Lawnmower. The YUKA Mini 500 is an excellent choice for urban and suburban homeowners who want hands-off lawn care without sacrificing precision or control. If you've tried other budget robotic mowers, you know how frustrating it is when a mower misreads surfaces, collides with objects, or misses tricky areas like flower beds or narrow passages. YUKA handles these challenges exceptionally well thanks to its UltraSense AI vision and RTK positioning, which differentiate grass from paths, patios, driveways, or decorative areas. This ensures your lawn stays pristine while everything else in your yard remains untouched. The object recognition system is another huge benefit. With over 200 objects stored in its AI database, the YUKA Mini 500 avoids toys, pets, garden ornaments, and hoses without stopping or getting stuck, which is a common pain point for families. Setting it up is intuitive. The YUKA app can map your entire lawn in just 10 minutes, eliminating the trial-and-error manual setup that comes with many lower-end models. Once mapped, it can handle slopes up to 50% and vertical obstacles up to 1.4 inches, which covers most residential terrains including small hills, raised patios, or uneven garden beds. The floating cutting disc and adjustable cutting height from 20 to 60 millimeters produce a perfectly uniform finish, ideal for homeowners who care about aesthetics. You can create up to 15 zones, set no-go areas, and even customize mowing patterns via the app, which adds a creative element that most budget mowers can't. At just 23 pounds and rated IPX6 waterproof, it's easy to move, clean, and store even in damp conditions or after morning dew. While it's slightly pricier than the cheapest options, its combination of intelligent navigation, safety, and customization makes it ideal for homeowners who want precision, automation, and peace of mind without constant supervision. At number 3, we have the Husqvarna Automower 115H 4G. The Husqvarna Automower 115H 4G is designed for suburban yards up to 0.4 acres with slightly complex layouts, including narrow passages, shaded areas, uneven terrain, and decorative obstacles. Unlike fully GPS-dependent robotic mowers that sometimes drift under trees or near hedges, the 115H uses a boundary wire to provide reliable guidance and coverage. For anyone who has struggled with cheap mowers, missing corners, leaving uneven patches, or wandering into forbidden areas, this reliability is a major selling point. For DIY enthusiasts, the installation is straightforward, thanks to the included kit. You lay the boundary wire, set up the charging station, and the mower is ready to go. Its 9-inch cutting width and ability to handle 30% slopes make it capable of mowing hills, narrow corridors, and tricky yard layouts. The Automower Connect app offers remote scheduling, starting, and stopping, which is perfect for busy households or families who travel frequently. Security-conscious users will appreciate the built-in alarm system and PIN code deactivation, which helps protect your investment in shared or suburban neighborhoods. At 20.7 pounds, it's light enough to move if your yard layout changes or if you want to mow separate sections manually. The ultra-quiet operation allows mowing early in the morning or late at night without disturbing neighbors, a real plus in townhouses or areas with noise restrictions. The boundary wire installation may feel like extra work at first, but the payoff is a predictable, accurate mowing pattern that seasoned robotic mower users crave. Overall, the 115H4G combines reliability, efficiency, and advanced tech in a package that makes everyday lawn maintenance stress-free for homeowners with moderately sized, complex yards. At number 2, we have GARDENA SILENO Minimo. The GARDENA SILENO Minimo is perfect for compact lawns up to 5,400 square feet, where quiet, precision, and reliability are key. Experienced robotic mower users will immediately notice how well it navigates tight corners, narrow passages, and slopes up to 35%, which is especially useful in urban yards with fences, planters, and patios. Its 6.2-inch cutting width allows it to reach corners and narrow areas that larger mowers often miss, ensuring even coverage across the lawn. The Bluetooth-enabled Easy app is a highlight for busy homeowners. You can schedule mowing, adjust cutting height, and monitor mower activity remotely, which is incredibly convenient if you're juggling kids, pets, and work. The collision sensors combined with the boundary wire prevent damage to flower beds, decorative ornaments, and pets, offering peace of mind that your mower won't cause unwanted accidents. Noise-sensitive users will love the 57 decibels A operation, which allows for early morning or late-night mowing without disturbing neighbors, a big advantage in townhouses or tightly packed suburban areas. At only 13.2 pounds, the SILENO Minimo is extremely portable and easy to store during off-seasons or move around the yard if needed. Its DIY installation is simple and all-inclusive, meaning you won't need extra tools or professional help. While it has a smaller coverage area than some competitors, it compensates for ultra-reliable navigation, low maintenance, and quiet operation. For homeowners who value efficiency, convenience, and a hassle-free lawn care experience, the SILENO Minimo hits the sweet spot in the compact lawn category. At number 1, we have Redkey Cheapest Robotic Lawnmower. The Redkey MGC 500 is arguably the most practical option for budget-conscious homeowners with small lawns up to 0.12 acres. For people familiar with robotic mowers, it delivers the basics exceptionally well: consistent mowing, minimal supervision, and reliable navigation. With 393 feet of boundary wire and breakpoint detection, it covers small lawns efficiently while avoiding flower beds, patios, playground equipment, and other common lawn obstacles. The 34.7-inch cutting width and 45% slope handling allow it to tackle uneven terrain and small hills that other budget mowers might struggle with. A 70-minute runtime is sufficient to cover most small residential lawns in a single session, and the auto recharge feature ensures the mower docks, charges, and resumes mowing automatically. This hands-off functionality is a major benefit for busy households or families with kids and pets. Its 35-pound aluminum frame is durable and portable, making off-season storage or relocation straightforward. While it does lack advanced features like AI mapping, multi-zone management, or app-based control, that's precisely what makes it attractive to experienced users. It's simple, reliable, and stress-free. For homeowners with smaller yards who value consistent performance, minimal setup, and good value, the MGC 500 is a smart, no-nonsense choice that handles the most common lawn obstacles efficiently without demanding constant attention. When it comes to robotic lawnmowers, the best choice really depends on your yard size, layout complexity, and how much automation you want versus hands-on control. For enthusiasts who are familiar with mower tech, these 5 models represent the best balance of reliability, features, and real-world usability at different budget points. In short, whether you're looking for advanced AI features, app-controlled precision, or a simple, reliable mower that gets the job done, these 5 models cover every type of enthusiast. Each mower has its strengths and target audience, so the best choice depends on your yard size, complexity, and how much tech you want guiding your grass. For homeowners who take lawn care seriously and want automation that actually delivers, these 5 models are the ones to consider in 2025.